Hi there, today I am going to teach you how to make a battery level indicator. It is very easy to make. Components required: 5 1K ohm resistors, 5 LEDs, small piece of VARO board and few wires. This is the circuit diagram. You need to connect your component as shown in this diagram, while the LEDs are in series. Now it's time to check. I am having fully charged battery. So these were the outputs, and the maximum measurable voltage is 12 volts. You can randomly check any battery and you can get assumption that how much is your battery charged. Please like, share, subscribe and comment your doubts.